In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to click on Privacy section. Tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and click on one of the available options, in this case Allow or Don't Allow. When you're finished, just go back. If you want to manage one of your apps instead of one of your features, click on any feature here to find an app you are interested in. Tap on the chosen one, and instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!